Wow. Amazing.
Ken, who is that?
I have no idea. I'm going out of my mind.
Mother Nature in the building.
Outstanding.
Come on, Mama Nature. Let's get to it. I know who this is.
Really? Just on the basis of hugs?
Yeah, when somebody get up on you, you gotta know who it is.
This is what The Masked Singer is all about. It's about having fun, and you exemplify that in every sense of the word.
Are you ready to call me Mommy?
Yes! Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Mommy and Daddy right here.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, panel, it's time for your first impression guesses. Mother Nature's having a good time.
She's just going.
She is so fun. I love her.
Oh, my God.
Robin, you've been quick to the box like every time.
Yeah, they're all gonna be right, Nick.
He's going for that golden ear.
Hang loose, babe. Shaka.
Make your guesses magical.
All right, hand. Let's go.
Yes, honey, yes.
He's annoying.
Okay, Mother Nature. Why did you choose Mother Nature?
Because Mother Nature is a force to be reckoned with. She's beautiful and scary at the same time.
That's right.
I feel like it's got to be a comedian, right? Someone like Aisha Tyler.
Yeah.
But there's something about her that just screams Tiffany Haddish, right?
That's what I
Yeah, I
think.
mean, this got that kind of
That's what y'all
she
think?
ready kind of vibe.
Wait, let me see the She Ready dance again, kid.
You know who I was thinking it could be as well? Somebody who's just is all about a good time, who's also a comedian. She's always posting naked with Mother Nature on her Instagram. That's Chelsea Handler, y'all. Right?
Chelsea Handler.
Chelsea Handler.
I know Chelsea. I'm good friends with her.
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's Chelsea.
Well, you know, the energy, the swag, the dance moves, doesn't have children. I think it's Tracy Ellis Ross.
Wow, good guess.
And just on principle, she would come out singing her mom's song.
Oh, I love it.
I love you, Tracy. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, baby.
Love it. She's great.
Now go ahead and take your Mother Nature self backstage.
Look at them roots.
Look at that trunk.
Look at that drum. From an ecological perspective.